I know Ali through his poems. I was asked by his father, Dr. Mehdi, to write a preface for his book, The Dimmest of Light. And when I looked at his writing, the thing that really touched me was that the way Ali had spoken about life. Um he was very young when he started writing, and also very young when he met with death. But he covered the entire spectrum of emotions. Excuse me, from hope, joy, celebration of life. There was in some points, there was a very strong feeling of loneliness and despair and dejection. But the way Ali fought with it, the way he overcame those feelings was commendable. And I remember when I was writing the preface, I called him the rebel with a cause. Because the way he dealt with his ill health, I call him the proverbial phoenix who rose from the ashes to give the message of love to his and hope to his readers. Some of his poems have a very, very strong underlying motive of loneliness also. But the way Ali describes himself is wonderful. He says, this is what he says, Him and His Wishes by Ali Mehdi. He wore his heart on his sleeve. He was always sensitive but never deceived. He chose the life that others would never choose to receive. This is to him that others would never understand or choose to believe. He loved with all his heart. Never was there really a true spark, and in his soul he chose to keep the fascinating story of who he used to be. I don't think anybody can describe him better than he described himself. And the way he looked at life, there was a certain defiance also. And that's why, like I said earlier, I called him a rebel with a cause. Because in one of his poems he said, I understand everything, but my heart doesn't. It won't and it shan't. I can't be held responsible for all my emotions. So well said. The way Ali embraced life, I think if he had more time, he would have gone on to become a very great writer. He was a prolific writer, he would have understood the mysteries of life, but because he was taken away so soon, he felt that he wasn't able to unravel the mysteries of life. And the way he describes life here is also a in a very touching poem where he says, life is but a dream, at least so they say, but if this is just a dream, when will I see real play? It's a cry of a soul that is struggling to understand the mysteries of life. And he goes on to say, the time we live in, the path we take on, choices we don't own but are imposed, would you, I wonder, understand? Again, the limitations of destiny, the limitations of life is something that he wrote about. And his message in his poems is of love. He says, experience it and celebrate it. The way he says, for love is not a sin, it is a pleasure, to die for thou or to live for thou. I was for thee to treasure. Punish not, judge not, for I create the rules. Defend the heart, cleanse the soul, for I have much in store for you. The rules of heaven is only one, love one, cherish one, for there will never be another, and truly, there may never be another Ali. Thank you.